Does your lawn look like this? Well, instead of getting rid of these weeds that are absolutely beautiful, you could eat them instead. What? Yes, the violet you can eat. Did you know this beautiful flower even comes in yellow and white? The young leaves of this plant can also be boiled for 10 to 15 minutes to make a pretty okay cooked green, as well as added to soups and even an okra-like thickener, which is interesting. The violet leaves are somewhat bland, and they can also be mixed in with other greens for a nice, beautiful, colorful salad. The dried leaves of this plant can be made into a tea. And the best part, the flowers. The flowers can also be candied. I would watch out for the yellow ones, though, because they can also be cathartic, if that's the correct way of pronouncing that. But these flowers can be candied, or you can even just put them in salads. They are also rich in vitamins A and C. Let's see what we can cook up in the kitchen with these. Here we've picked about 60 violets. We're going to shred some potatoes. A little bit of avocado oil and a little bit of basil, a little bit of turmeric for some color and health benefits, a little bit of sea salt, and last but not least, a lot of bit of violets. Wow, just look at all that color. That's so beautiful. These will be the prettiest potatoes you'll ever eat. And mix it all together. Alright, clip-a-doos. Oh, look at that beautiful potatoes. The prettiest mush you've ever seen. Avocado oil. Eggs. Oopsie. Stir them all around. This is how we make scrambled eggs in our house. I know everybody has their own methods. We just like to scramble them in the pan, so it's more like a scrambled egg. Has a little bit of white and a lot of bit of yellow. Now we're going to put egg onto our plate to help complete the presentation. Now we're going to complete our plate with some potatoes with violets. Beautiful. Look at that. Well, I'm going to eat this. So thank you for coming by and watching us and our recipe. It's pretty simple, but oh yeah, look at this beautifulness. Until next time, enjoy your wild edibles, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates and more videos coming up. Thank you again.